Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this session we will talk in detail about the counseling process for NEET SS 2024. Different aspects about the counseling process, and we will also tell you in order to proceed further, in case you need any kind of assistance or you want to know the possibilities, you want to check last year's cutoff fee, stipend bond, all the details. Okay, what sort of colleges you can expect, okay, how to fill the choices in which order, how we can get access to the uh, choice order of the institutes based on its merit, based on the department and all those things. Then this is the platform NEET Mentor. You can visit our website neetmentor.co.in. There you find multiple packages. The first couple of packages 3000, 7.5000 will help you getting access to the portal for the details which will keep on getting updated, like notifications. Any notifications comes for NEET SS, okay, it will be updated over there. You just need to log in and check, and you can check the details like closing rank for the last year, seat matrix for the last year, this year, as in when it gets updated. I'll tell you the seat matrix is not a release date, but the approval part which is approved by the NMC, it is published on the official website. They are waiting for the institute to confirm whether it is actual, as they have it in their information base. So they are going to publish it officially. Okay, the final seat matrix, fee structure, stipend bond, all these details. Okay, college details, choice preference order or documentation, what documents required, these all things will be available. In case you want paid counseling guidance where you want our call support, then you can access the highlighted one. So this is how it looks, the website. Okay, on the left side, what we are saying, like notification, closing rank, seat matrix, allotment, fees, stipend bond, eligibility rules, documents, college predictor, clinical load details, college details, videos, these all things you can access. Closing rank, how it will be shown, like you can see college from which state, for different courses, what is the fee, stipend bond, for different years, different rounds, what was the cutoff and all. Okay, coming to the documents required. Okay, so what sort of documents, I'll create a separate video also for this. So provisional allotment letter. Okay, let me come to the documents required section later. First let's discuss about the counseling process, how the counseling goes on. Okay, officially when the brochure for the, or you can say the bulletin for NEET SS counseling gets published, it will show there are two rounds officially. Okay, mop-up round will be happening after a special approval from the government. Okay, so the first round will happen where the eligibility is 50 percentile. Those who are not qualified, they need to wait for the second round. Before the second round, they will reduce the cutoff. Okay, last year they happened to reduce the cutoff up to 20 percentile. So those who were having 20 percentile or more than 20 percentile got the chance to do participate in the second round of the counseling. In the mop-up round, before the mop-up round, they reduce the cutoff further to 0 percentile, but it is not going to be the same for all the year. The percentile may change, okay, when they are reducing the cutoff, but mostly before the second round they will do one revision, okay, for sure. And how the process goes on, first part is registration. Okay, when the first they publish the brochure, they publish the schedule with the brochure, you have the dates for the registration. Okay, you do the registration, along with the registration you can do the choice filling. Okay, choice filling is the most important point, because there you communicate with the MCC system that these are the preference order. Okay, and based on this order I want the colleges. They don't know like which is the best college. You need to tell them like this is the best college. Okay, and in this sequence I am arranging the colleges, in this sequence I am arranging the branches. Okay, once the choice filling is done, before the choice filling, at the time of registration you have to pay 2,05,000. Okay, 2 lakhs is refundable, 5,000 is up your registration charge, which is not refundable. Then allotment process runs. Okay, this is called online allotment. Okay, there is no interference, it's a system based allotment. Then you get a result. After the result you will be able to get the allotment later, where you can log in on MCC and you can download the allotment later. Once the allotment letter is downloaded, based on the schedule for the reporting, you have to reach to the college with all the original documents and the required documents. You have to make the physical presence there for the reporting. At the time of reporting, we can choose to upgrade the seat in case you are looking for the better or improvement. Okay, upgradation is possible in round 2. Some more points. Okay, in case you get the seat in round 1 but you are not interested to take, then your 2 lakh security deposit will be forfeited. You are still eligible to participate in round 2, but you have to pay the deposit again. Okay, so there is no free exit round here. There is no any round when you can try and leave the seat, still your deposit is with you, so you will be penalized by 2 lakhs. Okay, but in case join, you have the option to upgrade. So make sure that fill the choices properly. In case you make the wrong choice filling and you happen not to join the seat, then your 2 lakhs is already lost. Okay, so better suggested that make the proper research about the institutes. Okay, and then you only fill the order. Cut-off revision comes before round 2 and it may come before mop-up round also. Here the few points. Those who attended PG counseling, for them there is no state level counseling. You come from Karnataka, you come from UP, okay, you have to participate in only MCC counseling, centralized counseling process. Okay, there is no reservation, all are coming under general category. There is no NRI quota. Okay, there are no 5 rounds, only 3 rounds, 2 official rounds and 1 more after approval from the central government or by Supreme Court. No free exit in the first round or the second round or any round. Okay, registration is available up to round 2, but those who qualify in the round 3, they can register in round 3 also. Okay, no state level any kind of reservation or quota benefits. Okay, you might be knowing, like in the state of MP, those who are domicile of MP, they are getting benefit, they are getting reservation. Such things are not there. All are equal. Okay, those who are from ST category, those who are from general category, those who are from PH category, those who are from outside India, all are coming under the same umbrella. There is no difference in your merit, or no reservation, no quota. Security deposit 2 lakhs for everyone. Even you are going for government institute, you are going for DNB, or you are going for deemed private or anything, 2 lakhs you have to pay. Okay, how the admission happens in private institutes is through MCC counseling. Is there any quota where I can directly go to the college and get admission? There is nothing like that. It's merit based counseling. There is no other way. Okay, there is no offline counseling also. Okay, you can select the branches based on your group. Okay, that automatically it will be given as an option in the drop down when you do the choice filling. For all this process, I will be creating a live demo when the choice filling starts, or for the registration process. So stay tuned on this channel. Okay, so mostly I explained everything. Now coming to the document. Okay, the provisional allotment letter, when you get the allotment generated, then you have that. That's the most important part. Okay, you need to keep your admit card also, don't lose it. Okay, keep it in some Google Drive or take a hard copy of it. Okay, place it somewhere, just email to yourself in draft version. NEET SS scorecard, 10th 12th mark sheet, your MBBS mark sheet for all the years, MBBS consolidated mark sheet. In case you have the attempt certificate, keep it. Internship completion certificate after MBBS, MBBS degree certificate from the institute. Okay, permanent registration. Okay, and MDMS certificate, your PG degree certificate. Then your MDMS mark sheet, any kind of like registration, additional qualifying registration for after PG. Okay, from MCI or from state, like you do the registration after MBBS. Okay, you do the registration after PG, so that registration is required. If you have TC and all, that's not mandatory, but if you have, is better. Migration certificate also not mandatory, you may submit it later. Okay, Aadhaar card or PAN card, NOC for those who are in service. For those who are in service and coming from Tamil Nadu will conduct a separate counseling for 50% reserved seat for in service. Is exception only for Tamil Nadu, not for any other state. Medical fitness certificate, passport size photograph. Okay, so these are the documents required. Hope everything clear, or most of the things are clear regarding the counseling process. In case you have any doubt, you can either comment us in the comment section of this video, or you can WhatsApp me on 9319128677. You can call me on this number. Okay, and the counseling is going to start soon. Okay, because seat matrix is also published, and today's scorecard is also going to get published. Okay, in case you are not very much aware, start with this package and you can switch over to our paid counseling guidance also. So that's all from my side. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.